Honestly, I hate it. Just being very honest.
It ain't for everybody. Welcome to Hollywood, baby.
Picture.
Let's
not even talk about it.
Let's go.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you'll stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Today I'm going to be doing a new style video. While I was kind of on my hiatus, I did see a lot of videos that were modeled after mimicking tutorials by some of like beauty guru faves or just makeup artists in general. So I am going to be modeling this look after Tiyana Robinson. I did discover her on Instagram. Excuse me, she's an amazing makeup artist, and I did just recently purchase the new BLKOPL foundation sticks. So I was thinking already that I wanted to give you guys a video on them because they did add a couple new shades to the shade range. However, I just happened to be on Instagram and I saw Tiyana do a IGTV video with the new foundation shade, so I figured that would be a cool way to incorporate it is by me following her makeup style, which is why I'm here with no brows filled in just yet, because she does do her brows after foundation. So I'm going to try to place the video somewhere on the screen if I can figure out how to get it there. And then a link to the IGTV video will also be in the description bar below. And yeah, I guess let's go ahead and get started. I've already primed, by the way, and I've already done my color correcting because I don't got time to play with BLKOPL trying to figure it out. I want to focus it strictly on just the new foundation sticks or just me completing my base in general. Okay, so the girl that she's using is about my complexion, so I'm just gonna go with using the exact same shade that she's using. I have already. Okay, so these are my traveling cases that I use. I have them labeled. If you're a makeup artist, you know a lot about depotting these foundations. BLKOPL is like the true OG when it comes down to foundation. However, I have not depotted these yet. So this is just what warm almond looks like.
Almond. This shade is a neutral, medium-toned brown that falls in between truly topaz and nutmeg. I'm also going to use my BLKOPL stainless steel mixing palette with a beauty sponge to apply the shade all over the skin, making sure to build up the coverage only where I need it. And for this particular look, I do sweep just a bit of that foundation onto the lids and slightly down the neck. Once the skin is even and smooth, I move on to my next step, which is highlighting.
Woo! Hold on, girl. Hold on. She moving fast. Why don't you hurry up and put the rest of this foundation on my face? I'm very nervous about how my brows are going to turn out because I hate doing brows after foundation. Like, absolutely hate it. I need to stick to what I know, because blending out a stick foundation with a beauty blender has never been tea for me, especially not for all over coverage. Let me catch up. So I'm using the shade Truly Topaz, which is this right here, because I tend to get more golden in the center of my face.
I'm using shade Rich Caramel in the Skin Perfecting Stick Foundation. Once I've laid down my highlight where I want it, I then blend the transitions between the highlight and the all over shade using my beauty sponge.
I'm just gonna lightly tap to blend to get rid of those lines of demarcation, especially along the sides of my nose. I feel like I look so crazy without brows. and foundation first. Using suede mocha, so I'm gonna use ebony just because I tend to like to look a little more brown. But I'll start out with suede mocha. Nah, fuck it, I'm doing ebony. Now, the only thing that's kind of blowing me about this, and I'm trying to do it exactly like how her makeup looked on this young lady, is the fact that I don't have no damn synthetic brush with me. This is not coming out good for me, or at least I don't feel like it is. Y'all, this looks not good. I failed miserably. Child. We'll see when this finish, I guess. Now to set my face, I'm going to be using the Black Opal Invisible Powder. So now that I'm back from doing my brows off camera, I'm going to continue to follow the tutorial. And basically she just took the shade that she used to highlight and clean up the brow a bit. So that's literally what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some, what did I use again? Truly Topaz to clean up the face. So she says she didn't use an eyeshadow for this smoky eye look. She's using a foundation stick. Luckily, I still have a little bit of ebony brown left in the actual stick. So what I'm gonna do is use that brush to recreate that same smoky eye she created as well. Girl, let somebody punch me in my damn eye. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara. My lashes probably look a little crazy because I have lash extensions that I'm in the process of actually taking out. Okay guys, so this is it. Honestly, I hate it. Just being very honest. Tiyana's obviously came out very, very gorgeous. I'm so annoyed with this look that I didn't even feel like putting a lip on. What I will say is the new foundation shades are amazing. I love seeing brands expand their color combination. Every black woman is not super dark or light skin with orange undertones. I don't know why so many brands continue to just get that wrong. But yeah, I am super excited because I obviously use Black Opal on my clients, not on myself outside of contouring. So yeah, I'm excited to see what other shades they release because obviously those were geared more towards the darker spectrum. So I'm very, very interested to see what Black Opal has cooking up. If you guys like videos like this, which would be torturing me because I know like learning is something that you have to do, and it's just like when you're comfortable and you know how to make your base just look good with your routine, you get stuck in that. So I think that this was good, something to kind of step out of my comfort zone. Some things that I would take away from this tutorial that I did would be brows after foundation is not as bad. Setting your face with just a brush instead of letting it sit and bake with a sponge, that was also really nice as well. But yeah, those are the two takeaways that I think that I may be able to incorporate into my personal foundation routine. But like I said, if you guys enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to thumbs up. Make sure you actually watch them so I know that this is content that you're actually interested in, watching me torture myself. And yeah, kudos to Tiyana, because this shit turned out horrible for me. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, like, that's the same thing, but you know, make sure you put your girl out there so that way that lets me know that you guys are actually interested in my content, and I will see you all in my next video.